Hi guys, you're all welcome. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a YouTube channel from scratch, from the point of creating a new Google account to the point of uploading your first YouTube video. Creating a YouTube channel is very easy. The first step you have to take is to make sure you have the YouTube app in your phone. And you can get the YouTube app by going over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, but if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, then you go over to your App Store. As you can see right there, I already have the YouTube app downloaded and installed in my device. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to tap on it to open it. So guys, let me tap on it right away to open it. So if you have downloaded and installed it, then you open your YouTube app. So guys, right here you can see I'm on my YouTube app right away. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the U icon. You can see that profile icon there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, can see what's written here. Enjoy your favorite videos, sign in to access videos that you have liked or saved. So guys, for you to create a YouTube channel, you must first of all sign in your Google account in your mobile device. So if you don't have a Google account, you have to create one right away. I can do that by tapping on sign in. So guys, let me tap on sign in right away. Then what they have to do now is to tap on add account. Want to create a new Google account. You need a Google account for you to be able to have a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the products of Google. It's a Google product. So for you to be able to use or create a YouTube channel, you must have a Google account. So guys, let me tap on add account right away. So guys, now you can see the next step, sign in. Use your Google account. The account will be added to this device and available to other Google apps. So guys, in this case, we don't have a Google account, so we can't sign in. So what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see create account. You can see it right there. So guys, let me tap on create account. We need to create a new Google account. So now you can decide to create a personal account for personal use, or you can decide to create it for your child, or you can decide to create it for business purpose. You can see for work or my business, but let me tap on for my personal use. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see here is the next step. You can see what's written there, create a Google account, enter your name. So let me enter my name right away. So guys, can see I've entered my first name and my surname. So let me tap on next. Here is the next step, basic information, enter your birthday and gender. So guys, let me do that right away. Let me enter my birthday, the month, the year, and the gender. Right here guys, you can see I've inputted my basic information, my birthday and my gender. So let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. It says choose your Gmail address, pick a Gmail address or create your own. So guys can see the options they gave to us. So I will just choose one of them, or in case you want to create yours, just tap on the third option, which is create your own Gmail address. But let me use the second one. Let me choose the second one right away, or should I go for the first one? Let me go for the second one. Then after that, let me tap on next. Then here is the next step. You can see what's written there, create a strong password, create a password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. So guys, let me do that. Let me create a strong password that I will always remember. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my password. So what I will do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. So guys, here's the next step. They say add phone number. So if you feel like adding your phone number, you can do that right away. So let me scroll down, then let me tap on skip. I don't want to add my phone number for now. Then you can see what's written here, review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. So guys, what you have to do is to take note of your email address. I can see mine right there. So what I'll do now is to write it somewhere so I don't forget it. So let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You have to agree to the privacy and terms of Google. So let me scroll down right away. Let me scroll down there. Let me tap on I agree. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Then let me tap on accept. So guys, now you can see it's adding up this new account I just created, the new Google account. Wow guys, can see we have created the Google account and we have been signed in to YouTube using the Google account. So now the next step now is to create a YouTube channel, and for you to do that you have to tap on where you can see create a channel. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. And by the way, before I go ahead, we are still on the YouTube app. Here is my YouTube account. Let me just go now to the YouTube homepage to show you guys that. So let me tap on home. As you can see here, here's the home page of my YouTube app. This is just to show you that I'm still on YouTube. So let me tap now on the U section on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, we are back here now. So let me tap on where it is written create a channel. So let me tap on it at the top. can see it's loading. So guys, can see what's written here, how you will appear, your profile picture. So you can change your profile picture or take a new one. You can tap on that place where the arrow is pointing to choose a picture. Then the second one, that's how your name is going to be displaying. You can see my name right there, then my handle. So guys, now what you have to do next is to tap on create channel. So let me tap on create channel right away. Wow guys, you can see channel created. So now by doing this, now I've been able now to create a YouTube channel, so I can start uploading videos on my YouTube channel. Let me tap on the use section again to see what it's looking like again. So guys, now you can see what's written there now, view channel. It's no longer create a channel. So you can tap on it to view your channel. There you can see manage your videos. I've not created any video right now. You can see where it is written create video. So if once I tap on create now, I'll be able to create and upload or record videos that can upload in my YouTube channel. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to create a YouTube channel from scratch by creating a Google account and then going ahead to create a YouTube channel using the YouTube app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. See you in our next upload.